These two exciting stocks have seen a fresh wave of Wall Street analyst ratings. So let's get into it. All right, guys, welcome back. It is Julie here with Tip Ranks. Thank you guys so much for being here today. We are taking a look at two stocks who over the last couple of weeks and as recent as yesterday have been receiving some fresh buy ratings from Wall Street analysts, giving them an overall strong buy consensus. So we're going to take a look at these two companies, what it is that they do, and what these Wall Street analysts are predicting for the stock's future. You can follow along over on the TipRanks website or right on the TipRanks mobile app. And of course, if you enjoyed today's video, make sure you hit that thumbs up button and that you're subscribed to the channel. Now let's dive right into today's stocks. First up is SharonAI. They are fairly new to the public markets, debuting on the NASDAQ back in February this year. They trade under the ticker SHAZ, currently priced at $41.80. Having gained 28% since their IPO back in February, where they raised $125 million, pricing over 4 million shares at $30 each. SharonAI is a newer neo-cloud company focused on high-performance computing for AI. They build and operate GPU-heavy cloud infrastructure that powers things like large language models, enterprise AI, and research workloads. The company is rapidly scaling data centers and partnerships to meet growing demand for AI compute, especially in Australia and Asia Pacific. It's essentially an AI infrastructure provider competing in the race for GPU-powered cloud compute. As a newly public company, they've not yet had a formal quarterly earnings report, but on April 1st, it did share their fiscal results for 2025. Now, the company is clearly still in a build-out phase, but they did focus on raising capital both through their IPO and about $100 million in convertible notes, the fact that they're expanding their GPU and data center capacity, and locking in some existing partnerships with names like Cisco and NextDC. Earlier in April, a five-star analyst from Cantor Fitzgerald initiated coverage on the stock with a buy. They believe the world is heading toward the proliferation of AI across nearly every business, sector, and economy. And in that context, it sees AI infrastructure as an attractive place to invest, given that investors are somewhat agnostic to which AI app or AI model emerges victorious. And just yesterday, we also heard from an analyst at Compass Point. They believe SharonAI's first major contract moves it beyond setup and into contract-backed scale. In addition, capacity build in Australia gives the company a credible base from which to deploy. Now, there is still a lot more to watch for from this stock, but so far they have 3 analyst ratings, all giving it a buy. And the average price target of over $46 implies an upside potential of 11.6%. Those ratings down below range from a downside of 4% to 2 more recent ratings with upside of 19%. And our second stock with new analyst ratings is MDA Space. It trades under the ticker MDA, currently priced just shy of $33. In the past year, the stock has gained 83%, but has seen some ups and downs. In the last 3 months, it's up 30%. MDA Space is a long-established aerospace company that builds the infrastructure behind the space economy. It designs satellites, space robotics like the Canadarm, and Earth observation systems used for things like defense, climate monitoring, and communications. The company operates across 3 main areas: satellite systems, robotics, and geointelligence, and works with governments, space agencies, and commercial players. They did come out with an earnings and revenue beat for their 4th quarter near the start of March, and that did include some record revenue. Earnings per share of 33 cents beat estimates by 4 cents per share, while the company saw their revenue climb 44% year over year to a record level of $499 million. Their full-year revenue was $1.6 billion, which was up 51% year over year, and the company ended the quarter with a backlog of $4 billion, providing revenue visibility into 2026 and beyond. Earlier in April, a 5-star analyst from JP Morgan initiated coverage on the MDA Space stock with a buy, saying that MDA's satellite business has significant potential for growth due to new capacity given its exposure to both commercial and military demand. And just yesterday, we heard from an analyst at Canaccord. They see MDA being in the sweet spot of the broader aerospace and defense universe, citing growth, credibility, its track record, and upside potential. MDA is well positioned to benefit from expanding market opportunities across multiple areas. With 11 current analyst ratings, the MDA stock does come in as a unanimous strong buy. The average price target of $37.82 implies an upside potential of nearly 15%. Looking at those price targets down below, you can see quite a few analysts recently initiating coverage, with price targets ranging from an upside of 3% up to 26.7%. So that is a quick look at two stocks, both in some very interesting niches there that have attracted some recent buy ratings from Wall Street. Let me know your thoughts on these companies and whether they were on your radar before or not. I always love hearing from you guys. And keep in mind that these videos are never a suggestion to buy or sell any specific stock, so please always do your own research and due diligence. Thank you so much for watching. Have a wonderful day, and I'll see you back here next time.